Building AI chatbots is great, but what if you want to white label and sell the actual platform itself to your clients? Today, I'm going to show you the difference in what white labeling looks like on the Stammer AI platform. So on the left-hand side right here, we have the Stammer platform, and you can notice that by looking at the URL that says app.stammer.ai. And on the right-hand side, we have a white labeled version of the Stammer platform. And we can see that the URL is app.srchatbot.com. So I'm going to show you a side-by-side difference in what the white label version looks like, not only to you as the agency owner or the person who is actually white labeling it and customizing it to your own brand, but what it actually is going to look like to your clients who log into your white label version of the platform. And so some brief comparisons. On the left-hand side, we have the Stammer version of the app, which is what you would see when you log in for the first time. But once you start updating the information in the agency profile section, you'll start to immediately be able to customize what the right-hand side looks like. So for example, here we can see that I have SR Chatbot as the name and the logo, and that's what is reflected here at the top in the header. If I go to the custom domain tab, I can see that I have my custom domain already set and connected, which is app.srchatbot.com. And that's the URL that is seen here, and that's the URL that I can tell my customers to go to log into. This is also the URL that's going to be shown across all of my AI agents with their share link. So for example, if I go into any AI agent and I click share AI agent, of course I can make it public, I can see that the URL is actually going to be white labeled to my custom domain that I've connected in over here. And that's something that's throughout the entire white labeled version of the platform, especially when it comes to the actual API itself. The API itself is indeed white labeled, even down to the details of showing the code snippets that you can use to build your own custom apps using this white label API. All of the functionality is the exact same. It's just your domain instead of Stammer's domain. And if I keep going down the list here, I can see that there are custom menu links and custom styling, which is what allows me to make it look like it matches my existing branding when my clients log in. So this allows you to customize the login and sign up page with a custom image. And then I can click into dashboard to see and change the different color theme to match whatever branding I want. And then if I was able to log into a sub account, this is what users would see, minus this top bar, which is only seen by agency users, because agency users are able to view the agency level and the sub account level. So clients would see something like this, where it only shows the branding for SR Chatbot, which is the white label version in this case. And all the information is related to my white label version. So everything that they see is going to be specific to SRCom and not Stammer AI ever. The cool thing is, as agency owners, you can log in to either app.stammer.ai or whatever your custom domain is using the same login credentials. So you don't have to worry about making new accounts or anything. You can just log in to both sides using the same login. And your clients will only be able to ever log into your white label version of the platform. So that's a super quick overview of the differences in what it looks like from Stammer to the white label version of Stammer, and what you can make your own dashboard look like and be customized to your own branding. So if you have any questions, or if you have any other ideas of how we can increase the white labeling functionality, please leave them in a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.